Bro, finally we got this. Oops. Bro, finally we got this home rebuilt. Bro, where's Neon? Blue Melon. Bro, I don't know, bro. He's taking forever to fly here. No shit, dude. Because we live in 100 Melon Street apartments, bro. And we live in apartment number 11. Oh, my ribs. Woohoo. Alright. I'm really sick right now. So, y'all got your home rebuilt? Yep. Yep. Took 1 month, huh? Bro, why am I so sick, chat? Yeah. Anyways, let's just get into the apartment already. Alright. Let me go in. Man. Jesus Christ. That monster is freaking scary, right, guys? Yeah. And thanks to Neon Melon, he saved us, luckily. Yeah. Because I experienced that. Pretty sure when I was 10 years old. How old are you now? 17? Well, my name's Apple. 1,000 names. Well, my name's Apple. And I'm 13 years old. Well, 20 years old. And this is my friend Dragon Fruit. He is 30 years old. And that's my friend Strawberry. Dude, he is 17 years old. And my friend Melon's 18 years old. And Corn is 12 years old. And Gamer Apple is 37 years old. Dang, he's older than all of us. No shit, dude. Gamer Apple was born on August 10th, 1950, 1930, 1935. Well, let's just sit here and wait until something happens. Or just watch some TV. Come on, guys. Why did the light just cut out for a second? For real. I'm back. Guys, I do not know what's happening, but hey, yo, why do I feel like someone touching my head? No! Oh, what was that creature? Oh, wait. He's talking about that monster tree. Wait. Get off of me. Ow, my neck. He freaking touched my neck. Wait. Oh, hell no. That is so damn creepy. Guys, we need to stay calm, stay calm. Oh, yeah, I want to kill these ads so much. I don't want to kill them. I just want to snap their neck.